Hello guys, Abhishek here, and in this video we will talk about top 5 apps for this month. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So the first app on the list is Computer Launcher, and this app helps you to emulate the Windows 10 like experience on your Android phone. It looks almost same as Windows 10, and as you can see here, the file explorer looks exactly the same. In this, the C drive is my internal storage and the D drive is my SD card. And also you can interact with the interface, which feels almost same as the Windows 10 as I have mentioned it previously. So if you want to download this app, the link for the app will be in the description box below. So summers are coming up, and if you are planning to go on a vacation and do not want to carry any of the books with you, then you can install this app. The app name is Physics Laws. Basically it binds up every main law that is in the physics in this one app. You can tap on any law to see what the law is, and you can find everything on that law with example and derivation and etc. So when you will tap on the speaker button, then the phone will speak out the law with every example and derivation. The next app on the list is SmartKit, and basically this app brings you the work of 32 different apps in just one app. It has cleaner, battery saver, stopwatch, checklist, code scanner, magnifier, flashlight, cutter, file manager, recorder, exercise, dictionary, translator, notepad, and some conversion and calculation tools, and many more. So this app is very useful if you want to save some storage of your phone. And the final two apps on the list helps you to personalize your phone. One of them is a wallpaper app, and the name of that wallpaper app is Volley. And Volley is an amazing wallpaper app. Basically it lets you to find the wallpaper which are made by the artist all over the world, and in the app there are many categories by which the wallpapers are sorted, like featured artist, in which you will find the name of the artist and the art made by them or wallpaper made by them, and recent apps, most popular wallpapers which are downloaded by the users. And the wallpaper currently you are seeing on my phone is from the Volley app. So this app brings some amazing wallpapers in your phone. And the last app on the list is Navbar Animation, and basically this app helps you to create animations on your phone's screen on the navigation bar. So if you have a phone which do not have any navigation bar, then it will also work on phone. You just have to enable this app, and after that select any of one of the animations. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, and some of them are very flashy like this one, while some of them are just basic and looks pretty good on your phone. And that's kind of it for this video, guys. If you liked this video, then don't forget to give this video a like. Also, if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are one of those 60% of persons who watches my videos but do not subscribe to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, save your time and watch 5-minute reviews.